Hey guys, and welcome to today's new video. I am excited because I am trying out the Goli Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies, and I am showing you essentially my unboxing. I did kind of cheat a little bit and opened it up, and I've been using these for about 2 days now because I thought I could comment at least on the taste in this video for you guys, and then I could tell you after my 30 days using it how it worked. And they did send this to me. I'm going to be upfront and honest about that, but it isn't sponsored. They just have an affiliate link. So if you guys are interested and you've seen all the commercials, I have recorded a few and I'll pop them up right here so you can check it out. I actually, funny enough, I went to the mall yesterday and I actually saw these up front and center in the mall as well. So they're all over, and I've seen the commercial on TV and they're all over my account. So I was really eager to work with them because I wanted to try them too, because I actually try is the word, to take apple cider vinegar every day. I don't take it every day though, because I don't know, I just wake up in the morning and the taste to me just, I don't know, like it's just not what I want to take when I first wake up in the morning. So for that reason, I could say I'm a very inconsistent apple cider vinegar user. Like I would definitely not see the benefits from how much I take it. But these gummies are delicious, and I don't know exactly how to describe the taste, but they taste like almost like an apple, but like a little bit of a bitter apple, but it's great, and it doesn't taste like, it smells like apple cider vinegar when you smell the gummies, like it's like that kind of smells like apple cider vinegar, but when you actually eat it, it doesn't. So, and just so you guys can see, I've already had a few. Yes, and they kind of look like this too. I'll take them out. They're like a little, like, I don't know what to call this. Like, it almost looks like a little, I don't know, like a little Jello cake or something. You know what I'm talking about? Like those little Jello cakes. That's kind of what it looks like. They do taste great, and it does make me want to take them. I also take like gummy vitamins and gummy hair, skin, and nail things. It just makes me take them. When they're like pills, I just don't take them. So that is the benefit of this. I think for me personally, it'll make me take it because it tastes yummy and it's like almost like a treat. But these are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, and unfiltered. So yeah, and I will just read the back of this so you guys can get a little background. It says, taste the apple, not the vinegar. Goli Nutrition is an inventive, people-focused nutrition company driven by the belief that happiness and wellness go hand in hand. Our goal was to create an easy, nutritious, and delicious way for everyone to incorporate apple cider vinegar into their daily routine. Our apple cider vinegar gummies produce the same age-old benefits of traditional apple cider vinegar without the unpleasant taste. Goli gummies are gluten-free, organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan. Health simple. Made in an FDA-registered, CGMP certified, and an allergen-free facility in the US. And then they just have their little Instagram handle and all that stuff, and you can check them out online because they have a cute little social media thing going on there too. You get 60 pieces in one of these, and it is $19.99. But with my promo code, you'll get 5% off, and that is Carolyn Marie X3. I'll put the link up here and I'll put it in the description below. But I have not done the full 30 days yet. The reviews are outstanding on this, so I'm gonna say they probably do work, but just putting that out there. I will definitely come back in 30 days and give you my full disclosure. But I like this. I like the idea of it, and I like that it's all of those things. But this is the package it came in, and it's cute. And it just says the little mission statement that I read you before. And I have these benefits and comparisons to traditional apple cider vinegar versus the gummy. So let's get into that because that's important. The benefit comparison. So it has appetite control and weight loss, and the Goli apple cider vinegar gummy has that, and so does traditional apple cider vinegar. And I just wanted to let you guys know, I weighed myself before this video because at the end I'm going to tell you if I lost any weight, and I'm not changing anything in my diet. I'm not necessarily looking to lose weight, but I wouldn't mind either because the summer's coming up. You know what I mean? So if I get a little more fit, that's okay. So I am 118 pounds, so we'll see if I lose any weight. So yeah, and then lowers blood sugar levels. The Goli gummy does that, and so does traditional apple cider vinegar. improves the immune system, so hopefully I won't get the coronavirus. The Goli gummy does that, and so does traditional apple cider vinegar. Made with the mother, both Goli gummy and traditional apple cider vinegar are both made with the mother. And the mother is part of the apple cider vinegar. It's like that almost like stringy looking stuff. Like you want that in your gummy and in apple cider vinegar. You don't want the filtered kind, which is the unfiltered. Yeah. Contains highly nutritious acetic acid. Both of them do. Now the following things are the things that the gummy has, but traditional apple cider vinegar does not provide. And it is infused with superfoods, pomegranate, and beetroot. So thumbs up for the gummy. That's good. Enriched with vitamins at B9 and B12. That's great. B12 is great for energy. Safe for the tooth enamel, which is only the gummy. That is super important. You don't want your teeth to get ruined. So if you are taking normal apple cider vinegar and this is not something you're interested in, the gummy, I would suggest using a straw so your teeth don't get all messed up. Good taste. The gummy has that, apple cider vinegar doesn't. Yummy smell. The gummy has that, and easy to take. Definitely easy to take, and definitely way easier to take than the apple cider vinegar. What I have been doing for the past 2 days, because I have been using this for 2 days now, I take one as soon as I get up in the morning, and I keep this right on my nightstand, and I take one right before I go to sleep. So on an empty stomach, I take one, and then right before I'm about to go to bed, I take one of these, and we'll see how it works. And I'm really excited to see what this does. It's also supposed to promote clear skin, I believe, as well. So I'm pretty excited about that, to see if all that works. And it's supposed to help with your gut health too. So I'll let you know how I do on this, but if you're interested and you've seen the commercial and you're already like sold on it, you can use my promo code for 5% off, and I'll have that linked below. That is Carolyn Marie X3, and it'll be like right here. Yeah. So I'm really excited to dive into these and start my 30-day trial of them. So yeah, guys. Oh, by the way, it's suggested to take 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times daily. So you can enjoy up to 6 gummies a day. I'm only gonna do 2 a day. I don't really take apple cider vinegar regularly, so I think that'll be enough for me. And I don't know how long this would last if you use 6 gummies, you know? That just seems a little bit maybe excessive, and it'd be a little bit pricey because then you would have to get like a few bottles a month. But if budget isn't an issue for you, I guess you can do that. For me, I'm gonna have 1 gummy in the morning and 1 at night. I think that would be sufficient. And I'll see what my results are in 30 days. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more videos of me reviewing different gummies, different health gummies or whatever, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos like this, and I'll update you in 30 days. Yay! And if you guys don't know already, I am a singer and songwriter. I have an album out, like a full-length album, on iTunes, Apple Music, and Spotify. So make sure you check it out. It's called Carolyn Marie. And I also have hard copies like this on my website at www.carolynmariemusic.com. And I'm also on Instagram, and we just hit 40,000 followers. I am so excited about that. Yay, thank you guys so much. So make sure you join me over there. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, and like Snapchat. I'm not really on Snapchat, but it's the same username. So yeah, make sure you go follow me over there. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much.